So since everybody kind of lies about their recipes, I went ahead and looked at a bunch of recipes and I took what I know, and we're gonna add our warm, it's 1/4 of a cup of milk. We're gonna put instant yeast, a packet. And then we're going to put about a teaspoon of sugar, and this should do the trick. Strain a can of crushed pineapple and reserve the liquid in the pineapple to the side. Once your yeast has bloomed, make sure to add your butter, your brown sugar, 2 eggs, and both of your pineapple, and then add 4 cups of flour. Go ahead and mix it together and then put it in your mixer with your dough hook. You'll have to add a little more flour likely to get it from being sticky. Then you're going to go and put it in a buttered bowl, and you're going to cover it with a damp towel for about an hour and a half, and then you'll take it out and turn it over onto a floured surface. Cut it in half, and then cut those halves into 8. And then you're going to tuck and roll them into the shape of the rolls and put them in your buttered pan. And then once that is covered with a damp towel, you'll let that rise for 45 minutes. Pop in the oven on 350 for 25 minutes, and then you're going to take it out and cover it with butter. Oh my Lord. Notice it even has the little floppy little layer. Okay, so these are pretty good. They taste as good. They're different than Kings Hawaiian rolls because, I mean, they're probably putting all kind of stuff that I can't put in them, but they have a sweetness to them. They're not your average roll. Y'all, these are pretty good. I'm glad I didn't listen to any of the recipes because everything they were telling me to do the other times when I failed, I know why. And I used what I know and combined the recipes, and that's where we had a success.